folks, E-Riders. We're swapping out the chainring today on the Ariel Rider X Class to a 58T. We're going to remove the pedals first and swap out the chainring. Okay, so we're going to take off the chainring, use the crank puller to take it off. We got the 58T on Amazon. It's a Light Pro 58T chainring. All right, well that was easy enough. The first part's easy, right?
Yeah.
We're also going to try to swap out the chain with a better chain. Or a different chain, if it works. Oh, okay. We're going to have to re-grease it, or is it okay?
No, we're gonna have to.
Of course.
Use it. I mean, you mean the bottom bracket?
Right, right.
These crank arms, yeah. You gotta put a little bit of a grease there, so you won't.
No more creaking. No more creaking. Okay, so we had to use the back of the bolts that came with the chainring, and I got blue parts for the front to match the bike, but they're a little too big, and the chainring was wobbling with the crank. So the front will be blue, the back will be silver with the original, and that should take care of the issue with the wobbling of the crank. Okay, so here is the new chainring with the blue chainring bolts, silver on the back because they work better than the blue on the back. Here's the new chain, and we're going to take off the old chain and put the new chain on. Okay, so we just removed the chain, little pin puller here, and we're going to see if we can pop the new one on. First, I guess put the chain ring on here. It's a 58T Light Pro from Amazon. This way I should be able to pedal faster than 25 without my legs going crazy. That is way bigger than the other one. cranking down the cranks, cranking down on the chain ring and the cranks, making sure they're snug. And we'll put the pedals back on. A little grease. Okay, here's the new chain. It's like a bluish purple color. Should go nicely with the bike scheme here. I have a chameleon color shift carbon fiber blue, green, purple, teal wrap. The chain is sort of matching the same color. It's a 9-speed chain. It should be long enough. I guess we'll find out here in a second. Or I will be editing this part out if it doesn't fit. Not going to fit, is it? Can we add other links in the other chain to make it long enough? So we got the chain on, and we got the chain ring on. The chain is a little bit short. I'll have to get an additional chain to add more links onto this chain because the rear derailleur is fully extended upward. So as long as I don't change gears, it'll work, but I think we want to get the right length chain to make this correct. So it'll be okay for now, but I'll get another chain. So I took it for a test spin, and now I'm pedaling at 31. I'm able to pedal at 31. So the bigger chain ring, 58T, made a huge difference.